In this delightful episode, Whiskers discovers a cardboard box filled with craft supplies, igniting a spark of curiosity. The owner smiles and decides to involve Whiskers in a playful challenge, creating homemade cat toys using scraps and odd bits. With a few failed attempts, like the time a feather flew off mid-project, laughter fills the room, showcasing their playful relationship. Finally, Whiskers finds a dangling pom-pom to chase and pounce on, turning the home into a playful arena. As the episode concludes, the duo snuggles up, exhausted yet happy, highlighting the joy of crafting and exploring together.